The best method to diagnose DCM at a very early stage or for screening purposes, for breeding purposes, would be actually a genetic test. Because then we could exclude dogs that have the genetic mutation from the breeding program. So currently there are 2 genetic tests available in boxes with ARVC and in Dobermans with the dilated cardiomyopathy. There was a study presented and published in Doberman pinschers doing a genome-wide association study, and there was a mutation found on chromosome 14. And a genetic test for this mutation, which is thought to be pyruvate dehydrogenase kinase 4, so the PDK4 mutation, a genetic test for that is offered in the States. However, when we use this genetic test in a European population of Dobermans, and we also used this test in other breeds, we couldn't find any difference between the DCM dogs and the control dogs. We also found this mutation in some other breeds. And therefore, it seems that this mutation does not explain the dilated cardiomyopathy in European Dobermans. It might be of value in dogs in the United States, but in Europe, we couldn't find any correlation between the genetic test and the clinical picture. We also did a genome-wide association study here in the LUPA program, which was sponsored by the European Union. And what we found in the European Dobermans, we found that there is a genetic defect on chromosome 5. However, we only can explain about 50% of these cases using the discovery cohort from Germany and then also some dogs in the UK. So this is not yet offered as a genetic test.